In this question, we're trying to find the size of angle x. It's a right-angled triangle, and you've got the two sides lengths given to you. So it's going to be trigonometry. First thing you need to do is work out whether you're using sine, cos, or tan. This is the SOHCAHTOA abbreviations I'm writing down here. Standing for sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, tan is opposite over adjacent. And those you need to learn. Next thing, on the triangle, you need to label the sides with the words hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. Start with the hypotenuse. It's the longest side. It's always opposite the right angle. This side here will be the hypotenuse. The opposite is the side opposite the angle. There's our angle. This side is opposite. So I'll mark that as the opposite side. The other side has got to be the adjacent one. And as a check, it's always got to be between the angle and the right angle. Two of those sides will have had numbers on them. The adjacent has a number on it. The opposite has a number on it. Circle those two words. Those words begin with an O and an A. We need to look through here until we can find an O and an A. And it's here in the tan formula. So the formula we'll be using is tan is opposite divided by adjacent. Next thing to do is to do a little formula triangle. The TOA go in the order 1, 2, 3, like that. It's really important you get the order right. First letter, second letter, third letter. Then I'll do a bigger working out triangle. The T is standing for tan, and the angle always goes down here. In our question, the angle was x. The O is standing for opposite. In our question was 8, so I'll put an 8 up here. The A is standing for adjacent. In our question, the adjacent was 12, so I'll put a 12 here. In this question, we've got two numbers, one on the top and one on the bottom. That's what will always happen when you're finding an angle. And we need to do the top number divided by the bottom number. 8 divided by 12. On your calculator, 8 divided by 12 is 0.6 recurring. I'll put 0.67. That's it to 2 decimal places. Keep that on your calculator screen. Final step, to find the angle, you always need to do shift, and we use tan, so it will be tan, and then equals. So keep that decimal number on your screen and do shift, tan. That will put on your calculator screen tan to the minus 1. That's fine. Then do equals. So the answer the calculator is giving here is 33.690 something. Doing an angle to 1 decimal place is normally sensible. So to 1 decimal place, that's 33.7 degrees. That's our final answer for that question.